Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discussing about round wall mirrors designs and ideas. Round wall mirrors have become a quintessential element in contemporary interior design, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes. Their circular shape adds a unique softness to a room, contrasting sharply with the hard lines of furniture and architecture. These mirrors come in various styles from minimalist to ornate, making them versatile pieces that can enhance any decor. One popular design is the sunburst mirror, categorized by radiating rays that create a striking focal point. This type of mirrors exudes a retro vibe, often evoking mid-century modern aesthetics. The materials used the materials used can range from metal to wood, allowing for an array of finishes that cater to different tastes. A brass sunburst mirror, for instance, can bring warmth and a touch of glamour to a living space, while a wooden version might lend a more rustic, organic feel. Another captivating design is the framed round mirror, which can feature intricate carvings or simple sleek lines. A decorative frame can add character and depth, transforming a plain mirror into a statement piece. For example, a boho chic frame with macrame details can enhance a laid back earthy atmosphere, while a gilded frame can elevate the elegance of a formal dining room. The choice of color and texture in the frame can harmonize or contrast while existing furnishings, making it an essential design element. In modern settings, frameless round mirrors are gaining popularity. Their clean lines and unobtrusive appearance make them ideal for minimalist interiors. These mirrors can create the illusion of space, reflecting light and making a room feel larger and more open. They work particularly well in small areas like entryways or bathrooms where maximizing light and space is crucial. Round mirrors can also serve as functional art pieces in unconventional placements. Hanging one above a fireplace or as part of a gallery wall can introduce visual interest and balance to the overall composition. Grouping multiple round mirrors of varying sizes creates an eye-catching feature that invites exploration and conversation. So moreover, round mirrors are increasingly being integrated with lighting elements such as LED black lighting or halo effects. These designs not only enhance visibility but also create a smoothing ambience. They are particularly popular in bathrooms and vanity areas where good lighting is essential. So in summary, round wall mirrors are a versatile design choice that can elevate the aesthetic of any space, and whether through intricate frames, minimalist styles, or intricate lighting, these mirrors serve as functional decor that reflects personal style while enhancing the overall atmosphere of a room. Their ability to combine form and function makes them an enduring favorite in interior design. All the designs are most popular and unique designs. We hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please share this video, comment this video, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.